Top of the morning to you, Bronco world. Mitch Creel here from Wild Horses, and today we are doing another product briefing video. Okay. To be honest, there's nothing in here. I don't actually drink tea. Today, our target is the brand spanking new Wild Horses Armor Plate Bumper. Built here in our very own glorious USA, this bumper can take a punch.
How's that?
Weighing in at about 55 pounds, this 3/16 steel-plated bumper is the way to go if you are looking for a simple yet heavyweight protection for your Bronco. Now, let's be honest, your average stock chrome bumper just isn't going to hang on the NAR trails. Trust me, but you know what they say, out with the old and in with the new. Our new bumper is designed to bolt into the stock bumper mounts on your 1966 through 1977 Bronco frame. In most cases, no fabrication is required. Now, not only is it super easy to install, but we designed these bumpers with a full 2 inches of adjustability that allow you to move the bumper up or down in order to fill in the gap created by a body lift kit. This is accomplished using 2 steel spacers that bolt on in between the frame and the bumper. These spacers can work one of 3 ways. Both can sit on the bottom, one can sit on the bottom and the other on the top, or both can sit on the top. The configuration is determined by what you think looks best on your Bronco. This bumper is interchangeable, meaning not only can you run it as a front bumper, but you can run it in the rear as long as you don't have a tire rack installed. The installation is the same on both the front and rear, and mounting hardware is included for whichever setup you decide to go with. One thing for you to note is this bumper is shipped ready for you to paint. You can paint it, powder coat it, plasti dip it, whatever floats your boat and whatever color you want your boat to be. Another thing to note is shipping is free in the 48 neighboring states. Customers outside those 48 states will be emailed shipping charges for approval prior to shipping. So, if this is the bumper for you, go ahead and head over to our website and pick up as many as you want. And if it's something that you're into, go ahead and post a picture on Instagram or Facebook or Twitter or whatever it is you youngins are into nowadays, and let us know what you think of your brand new bumper. And that's that. You have been briefed on our new armor plate bumper. Thanks for watching, guys. We hope you found this video insightful, and we hope you enjoyed it. And as always, with all of that being said, we will see you guys out there on the trail. Peace! Up pretty well. We got a few scrapes up in Moab, but none of which had anything to do with my driving, and yeah.